Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I'm back again to give you the 411 on this Happy Planner sale. Now that 60% part, gone, okay? But the 50% is still going on. Part of it ends on January the 1st and some of it ends on December 29th, depending on the items, okay? So pay close attention. Please leave any questions or comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the end of the videos to say my goodbyes like my mama taught me. Okay, girls, this is what I found at my JOANN'S, okay? The 50% is on the run, and it's going to go until December 29th, okay? So if you see a 20 or 25% coupon, I would double up on that and use that in addition to this 50 and get you a real deal, okay? So the run on sale, they got the minis on sale, they got the micros, they got the dashboard, they got the full size, they got everything. And my JOANN'S was packed, okay? I'm going to show you the loot they got down here on the bottom. You're going to be like, what? So, hey, if you're looking to get your planner for 2020, right now is probably the best time to do it. And I think there's a 20 or 25 either out there or coming this week or two. So you might want to, catch that and put that together with this 50 and work it like, we should, okay? So it was a lot of stuff, okay? They had the notes down there. Look at all this stuff down here. This stuff was just thrown down there. Can you believe this? It was so much stuff, girl, I couldn't even move it. I was afraid to move it because I thought it was going to fall over on me. Well, fall over, but not on me. But I'm just telling you, look at it. They got the skinnies. Child. And you're going to be surprised. Look at it. Now, look at these. Look at this. That's crazy. That's a dashboard one. But you just look at all the skinnies that they had left over that they hadn't even sold. I didn't even know they had this many skinnies in the store. Look at it. They got a half sheets. I got a pack of those already. Look at all these skinnies down there. Okay? They need to be marking these down to 6% if they're trying to get rid of them before the end of the year. I'm just saying. Okay? That's just my opinion. You didn't hear it from me and I ain't want to talk. So y'all just taking all the luster of all this product. Look at that. They even got skinny washi tape up there too. This is all the product in my store that has not sold. That's why they're trying to get rid of this stuff, because it hasn't sold. This stuff right here, just forget that to the left. Here's some of those little mini sticker books. Now look at that, 29th now. You're going to see something that it's going to change to January the 1st, but I'll show you which ones those are. But these are anything that's the run-runs are still going to be good on this sale until December 29th, okay? And they had these little calendar theirs. I was trying to figure out about these desk calendars or wall calendars. They call them, I did that desktop plan with me with mine. If you want to get one of these for 2020, this is the time to get it. I think it is actually in the wrong place, and it actually is $19.99, so half off is going to be like $10. So yeah, I think these are in the wrong place. But just to give you an idea, this is just some of the stuff that's still out there that, if you guys are in the Tampa Bay area, this is my store. And, I was surprised how much stuff they still had left over from this, because I thought this would be gone and they still would. And they're still holding on to the old stuff over there too. The old stuff that they were trying to get rid of was 60% off, and it didn't move, and they marked it down to 30%. Like 30% as a sale. Us planner girls, we wanted 50 or more, okay? So just to give you an idea, there goes some of this, the Happy Hostess stuff, the recipe pages. Disregard the Parkland thing over there on the left. So, but they just had so much stuff. I'm not kidding you. So if you're looking for anything, girls, you better make a beeline there between now and December 29th. I'm going to take a guess. This is going to be sold out probably by like next Friday. I'm just going to go back next Friday after Thanksgiving to see what it looks like. This is really good stuff though if you're looking for anything. They got these stickers. They got that dry erase board one. I don't know what that's used for. I've never used that before. They got a couple of accessory kits. Now this is the Planner Girl stuff. Now here's the thing. Planner Girl stuff is on a different sale. Now this sale is for till January the 1st, okay? So the Happy Girl is January the 1st, okay? Now don't forget, if you see a 20 or 25% coupon, girl, put that with this and take it on home, okay? Just take it on down the street. But this Planner Girl is January the 1st, this sale ends, okay? So I don't want you to leave anything on the table. If you're looking for your planner, you're looking for your accessories for 2020. Okay, now this is where I got excited at, okay? Because these metal ring planners cost more, okay? So these, and even any of these metal planners that are planner girls, they're more. So I think those planners are like $28 if you can get them half price. Ooh, child. So I just wanted to show you these right here. Now this is a vertical right here, 12 months, but it's got plastic rings, so pay attention to that. But it is, you know what? I don't think that's part of the planner girl right there. Nope, I don't think so. I think that one got thrown over there. I think that's the old one. But here, I know this one is because I bought this one for myself for next year. See there? Planner girls are good until January the 1st, and these are still 50% off, okay? And this is the classic size, okay? That's Planner Girl 2. There's another one. Okay, Planner Girl, that's another one. Then they've got this big one here. I couldn't get around it because that metal thing was sticking out there, so excuse me. So it was just so much stuff, let me just tell you. So y'all just take it all in if there's something you're looking for. If you got any questions about anything down there that you want to know if I saw it, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to tell you. But, I just wanted to get you guys this video. And I love these blocks, those paper blocks. So I have a pack of those already too. I had in a previous haul. Yep. Here's some more 2020s right here. I was kind of interested in this planner right here because I kind of like the layout. I thought it was a recipe planner, but it's not. And excuse me, I tried to get into it, but of course they got the little plastic thing around, so I really can't see it. But you can kind of see the layout right there. Well, that was a quick look, I'm sorry. Okay, let me see if I can get you a better look at it. See there? Like dotted grid on the top, then it's got the bullet point ones there, and then blank on the bottom. But that's the layout of it right there. Nice. I don't know why I never paid attention to this layout before, because I really, really like it. You know me, my little mind is thinking 50% off. And let me see, I can go back up there with a 20 or 25. And sister can work it like she work it, okay? Yeah, I'm digging that. So the Planner Girl collection, January the 1st is the end of this sale. Now here goes some more Ron stuff. Whoo, child, they're trying to do something with this Ron stuff. They're trying to get rid of it. They got the mini sticker books. They got the accessory books. That everyday sticker book there, I've got that already. Okay. They got the dashboards, the full-size dashboard for the classic. They got they had the mini-size dashboards too. They got the filler paper. They got the accessory kits. They got the big notes, the little notes, the medium-sized classic notes, more accessories. Child, they had everything thrown up there. So, whew, child, I'm just tired just from doing this video. Sister's job is never done, especially in the planner world. You know what I'm talking about. Just enjoy it, child. There's a lot here to see. All I can say is JOANN'S got the sales. Now here we go again right here, some more, okay? Now you know what? Here's the filler paper, okay? The half sheets. Let me just tell you, remember when they first came out with this and we couldn't find it? Now all of a sudden they got all this product left over. Where did they have it at? Now, they had to have had it somewhere. In the back maybe? But let me just tell you, I just think there's a lot of product to be sitting here at the almost a month before the end of the year that hasn't been sold. Okay, I just want to know, how do you end up with this much product? But look at all this. They got the Stargazer. They've got the monthly Stargazer Mini. There's another one right there. I almost thought about getting that one, but I could never find it. But I love those purple rings on there though. But I'm just saying, there's a lot of products sitting here, okay, that could have been sold by now. Look at this. Here we go. I like this right here. Planner Girl. It's good until January the 1st now. Don't be sleeping on this. Don't sleep on this, girls. If you're sitting there talking about, I don't know what plan I'm going to get. Well, go check these out. See if any of them you like. See if any of them fall into the layout you want. And look at this. People don't know how to clean up behind themselves. Child, now you know. Y'all got to excuse my little camera right here because I'm trying to pick up the mess that somebody left their craft stuff or I don't know what that was, some ribbon or something there, and I'm trying to clean it up so I can show y'all these planters. They just threw their trash over here like they was at home. Look at that. Let me straighten it up. You know how us planter girls are. We like to come find our stuff in an orderly fashion. Look at that. I got that one. There we go. I like that one right there. Look at all these planters. That's crazy right there. Look at all of them metal planters. So those I think are like $34. I want to say $32 or $34. But yeah, if you're looking for your planner, this is the time. And keep an eye out for that 20 or 25% off the total. Work it, girls. Work it. You know, Miss Yo-Yo, she's trying to make sure that y'all don't miss any deals out here. So it's just giving you the lay of the land right here. Ooh, child. I'm tired. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and checking out my video. I hope you found something you're looking for or something you liked, okay? Please leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye.